I'm sure you've heard the myth that beauty is only for the young. But let's debunk that right now. Whoever said beauty is reserved for the young hasn't seen the confidence that comes with age. As we grow, our self-assurance blossoms, turning confidence into our most alluring feature. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling great. And let's talk experience. With years comes wisdom, depth, and a character so captivating, it's undeniably beautiful. Each wrinkle, a story, each gray hair, a badge of honor. Now don't forget about self-care. It's crucial at any age. Healthy living isn't just for the young, it's a lifelong journey of nurturing body, mind, and soul, keeping you radiant year after year. And style? It's your personal signature, evolving gracefully, showcasing your creativity and uniqueness at every stage of life. Lastly, the real beauty? It's on the inside. Kindness, compassion, intelligence, these qualities never age. They only grow stronger, shining through, making you stunningly beautiful, inside and out. Remember, beauty knows no age limit. Whether you're 20 or 80, your unique qualities and inner light make you beautiful in your own right.